Hello kids, welcome to today's lesson 12 problem set, where you'll be learning how to interpret the quotient as the number of groups or the number of objects in each group using units of 2. This is multiplication to help you build your knowledge of 3 times. Multiplying by 3. This is 6 times 3, 8 times 3, and 7 times 3. This is a pattern sheet that you will be doing in class. If you notice, these are multiples of 3, meaning multiply by 3 pattern sheet. Okay. This is an array that shows 2 rows and 4 columns. So how many groups? 2 groups of 4. If you are to fill in this blank and write the multiplication sentence, this is 4 times 2, and also this is 8, right? And all in 8 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Right? Okay. Now, this is an array showing groups of 3s. How many groups of 3s are there? What is the total multiplication sentence? Starting with the number of groups. We have 3 groups and 3 columns. This will be what? 3 times 3. And the division sentence will be 9 divided by 3, which equals 9, which equals 3. Now, how many groups of 2 are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, here we have 6 groups of 2. The multiplication sentence will be 6 times 2. And the division sentence will be 12 divided by 2, which is 6. This is what? How many groups of 3? There are 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiplication sentence 4 times 3 equals 12, and division sentence 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Okay, let's look at an example. A chef arranges 4 rows of 3 red peppers on a tray. He added 2 more rows of 3 yellow peppers. How many peppers are there altogether? Now looking at this, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows of 3. He added 1, 2 rows of 3 yellow peppers. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now altogether, the first was 12, 4 times 3, and this is 6, 2 times 3. So 12 plus 6 equals 18. So there are 18 peppers all together. Next example, 2 students equally share 8 crackers. Now, how many crackers does each student get? Draw to model and solve the problem. Then explain your thinking to your partner. Now, this diagram represents a total of 8 crackers. Visualize in your mind where you would divide it to make 2 equal parts. Good. Okay, let's look at another example. 12 students decide to play basketball at recess. If they make 2 equal teams, 12 students to make 2 equal teams, how many students are in each team? That will be what? 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So there will be 6 students in each team. Okay, going back to our original problem, 8 crackers, but this time each student gets 2. So how many students get a carcass? That will be 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So 4 students get 2 carcass each. You can draw 1 unit of the diagram. 1 unit of a tape diagram to represent a group of 2 carcass. What other information does the problem tell us? Total of 8 carcass. Now notice that this dotted line was drawn to show the whole diagram. The dotted lines, these lines, were drawn to show the whole diagram. Now what is the unknown? The unknown is what? This number of groups. So let's find the groups by drawing 2 more units. Now let's draw 2 carcass, another 2, and another 2. So right here we have 2, 2, 2, 2. That's 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now how many students get carcass? That will be what? 8 divided by 2, which equals 4. Now, if there were 18 monkeys in the jungle, and there were 2 monkeys in each tree, how many trees had monkeys? 18 divided by 2 is what? 9. So 9 trees had monkeys. The 2 division sentences for those diagrams are the same, right? For this and this. Now, but the tape diagram is different. This is 18 divided by 2. This is what? For the first example, this will be 4, that will be 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. Why are they different? This is 2 groups, and this is 4 groups. And these are part of the examples and problems that will be treated in class, that you'll be involved in. So in class, don't forget to do your content page quiz. Your quiz in the next slide and assignment. See you next week. Bye.